We want to do 10.5 number 88 part A, which has directions. What does this thing actually say? Perform the indicated multiplications by taking advantage of the factored forms of the sum and difference of two cubes. I never taught you the sum or difference of two cubes because they're useless. The only use they would have is for this problem. And this problem is doable without it. So the thing you want to do with this one is what? I want to perform the indicated multiplication.
So just multiply through?
Yeah, so I can't quite FOIL, right? Because FOIL's for two things times two things.
Yeah.
But I can distribute, right? So I know I'm going to get a
Y. Yeah.
y to the 1/3 times this whole thing.
Yeah.
Plus 2 times that whole thing.
Yeah, that's
Okay, which is messy but not actually horrible. Okay, so when I multiply the y to the 1/3 in here, what do I get? I get a y to the 1/3 times y to the 2/3, right? Which I can deal with, but don't. So the reason I'm telling you don't is that if you do things in stages, like little steps, you're much more likely to get the right answer. We tried one of these in my night class last night, and they got super duper lost because they were trying to do exponent things and multiplication things. So literally all I'm doing is I'm distributing this thing through, and I'm just writing down what it ought to be. So I got these two multiplied, then it should be
Minus.
yeah, minus 2
Y to the third.
times,
Y to the
right? That's this piece multiplied by this thing.
Okay.
And then my next one should be plus
4Y to the third.
4y to the 1/3 plus,
2Y 2/3.
awesome, thanks Jennifer.
Minus 2Y 1/3 minus negative 4Y.
Would it be that way?
Yeah, well, she's going, I don't know.
She's doing nice step by step, right?
Plus 8.
On that one you didn't do step by step, come on.
Wait, wouldn't
It's
that be
times
y to the
4.
4? Oh, I wrote that down.
Everybody straighten out? Some of you are choosing to multiply the 2's together, some of you aren't. I have 2 2's written up here. Whatever. Okay, so now I should go through and simplify each piece, right?
See, they said,
Okay,
well, she's got the info.
Oh, God.
so let's see. How many y's do I have in that first thing? 1 total. So I've got a y. And then I've got minus 2
2/3, y to the 2/3.
y to the 2/3. And then there's a plus
6y.
Plus 4.
this guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a 4y to the 1/3.
Oh, I was adding the
And
2
you're
Ys
probably
to
trying to
the
combine
third.
these?
Yeah.
Why can't you combine these? Why doesn't y to the 1/3 and 2y to the 2/3 go together? Yeah, they're not like terms. The powers are different. You see that? They have to actually be exactly the same thing for you to combine them. So I've got my 4y to the 1/3 plus 2y to the 2/3 minus
2 out of 1/3.
minus
Oh,
4y to the 1/3. You all forgot.
4. Yeah, plus 8.
Plus 8.
So when do you need?
Okay, then don't those cancel out with this?
Ah, yeah, now some stuff cancels out.
Cancel. So you're like 8.
So this stuff and that thing are like terms, right? And they add to 0.
Put the,
So we don't need those guys.
Negative 4 cancel. Boom.
And then
Y plus 8.
these guys and these guys are like terms, right? They're y to the 1/3. And there's plus 4 of them and minus 4 of them there, cancel. So in the end here, you're left with
Y plus 8.
Y plus 8.
Nice.
Cool?
Cool.
Alright, should we try B? Everybody follow all of that?
Yeah.
You just spoiled it, right?
Yeah, it's almost foiling, right?
It's
It's a little bit
Right.
messier, but
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, it amounts to foiling. I just don't have that nice first, outside, inside, last, because there's
Right.
6 things. Other questions on this?